Welcome to TV360 Monitor, the comprehensive TV measurement platform that makes your life easier. With Monitor, you'll stay ahead of the ever-shifting TV landscape with easy-to-access global content trends across 10,000 TV shows, more than 100 platforms, in 38 markets. You'll learn from exclusive reports and articles stacked with strategic insights to help you navigate the future and learn from the past. Paired Analytics originals include in-depth reports ranging from platform launch analyses to data-backed strategic frameworks. Plus, the entire catalog of quarterly global TV demand reports is available for download. Weekly trend reports and regional insights articles will keep you up to speed with timely reminders of what matters most right now. Monitor lets you go deeper with TV insights for individual shows, platforms, and markets. In addition to global rankings, you can see which TV shows are heating up in your market, as well as series-specific metrics like travelability and advanced metrics like demand distribution, which reveals how popular a TV show is compared to the market average. You'll get access to insights for genres from comedy and drama to animation and docuseries, allowing you to track which types of content are resonating with audiences all over the world. With Monitor, you don't have to worry about a black box of data. Rankings for originals and licensed shows are updated daily for more than 140 OTT platforms. And the curated newsfeed offers real-time updates for the top trending shows, so you can stay informed based on your own area of interest. It's never been easier to track global demand for all types of TV content. And since it's backed by the world's most powerful demand measurement system, you can trust that you're monitoring what matters.